Congratulations, bitch!
Hi everyone! So for tonight's video, pupunta kami ng friend ko sa BGC. We're gonna go to Silo and we are gonna have our little dinner date kasi we're gonna celebrate her being a registered nurse. I'm so proud of her. She's my best friend.
So, kamusta
Get
ka
into
naman?
it.
Ang gap natin.
So ayun, nakarating kami around 10.
Ano na siya? Sarungan naman akong view eh. City Garden Grand.
At this moment, pupunta kami dapat sa City Garden Grand sa Makati kasi sa Firefly dapat kami kakain. But then, we realized it's too far and hinahabol namin yung oras. So, we decided to change the location here na lang sa Seda. Meron silang rooftop bar. Doon na lang kami. Okay din naman dito, at least around BGC na rin. Actually, walking distance na rin yung Silo. Ka-OA. Gusto mo salamin? So, ano tayo? Where's the woman? So, ayun. Nagsalamin-salamin muna kami. Salamin. Anyway, tama pala yung decision namin. Kumain na lang din muna kasi until 2 a.m. na lang to siya. And normally, kanina, yung Silo, open na siya ng 10 p.m. But siguro, because of heavy rain, ayun, sarado pa siya. 11 p.m. na siya nag-open. So, medyo bothered na rin ako during that time kasi since naka-guesses kami or GL, dapat before 12 midnight, nasa Silo na kami. As you can see, andito na kami sa Straight Up Rooftop Deck Bar in BGC. Ayan, at this point, nagkukunwari na lang kaming we have the money to buy the whatever it is in the menu. Pero yung totoo, tubig na lang talaga yung kaya namin orderin. Sobrang mahal pala ha. We are just savoring the moment kasi ang ganda rin naman ng ambience dito. Ayun. And I've heard na masarap din yung pagkain nila. Bill out agad, wala pa nga. After namin umorder, nagsalamin muna ulit kami.
Congratulations!
My bestie. Kaya ikaw na lang natitirang, baka backstabbin mo pa. Ito na yung foodang, guys. And I can tell you, ang sarap. Actually, masarap yung pagkain niya. It's a mix of, I think, Italian and Filipino cuisine. Ayan, very unprofessional. Here's to remind you guys na it's okay to celebrate a win with your loved ones. That's okay. Once in a while, celebrate, enjoy, relax. Sabi talaga, hab-hab kung sa Bisaya pa yan.
Zai. As a reigning queen. Kasi naulan, reigning queen. It's been raining in Manila, hindi mo ba?
We're waiting for our taxi driver. Feeling the moment in 3, 2, 1. And pagpasok namin sa loob, I think this is already around 11:40ish, going 12 midnight. Konti pa rin yung tao kasi nga, naulan.
We're celebrating naulan. Cheers it.
Truly proud with my bestie because I witnessed her struggles, and this is for all the nurses na pumasa-support this year. Congratulations sa inyo. Cheers for you guys! In-game na naman ang mga bakla after mag-pre-game sa labas. Ayan, we are all ready to party and waste the night out. Party edit in 3, 2, 1.
We're going. Perfect.
Out na kami sa BGC na mga time na yan. Nag-decide na lang kaming mag-motel or mag-lounge kasi it's already 4 a.m. And hindi na safe for us to go outside and to go back home at this very moment. So we decided na dito na lang magpalipas ng gabi. That's it, guys. Good night. Mga bakla! Ilan kami! Ito yung time na nag-landfall si Bagyong Aghon. Buisit na yan, buong weekdays hindi bumagyo. Tapos lumabas kami weekend, bumagyo.
Ready for today? Yes, queen.